Hello, hola, konnichiwa. Welcome to my channel. I'm Sakura, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the tradition of New Year's called fukubukuro. I created my own fukubukuro with all the things I bought in 2020. Not all the things, but my favorite things that I got in 2020 that will make for a great lucky bag. Fukubukuro in Japanese means lucky bag. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So, my first item is the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. This is a travel size, but I've already used my full size, so I'm trying to finish this one by the end of the year. Probably won't be successful, but still, I'll finish it by the end of January. This is one of my favorite oils for double cleansing. This is like the first step of a double cleanse. If you're not familiar with a double cleanse, leave me a message in the comments and I'll let you know a little bit more about it. But yeah, this is my first fukubukuro item, my DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. Next, we have the Hada Labo Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, which is great for all skin types, but especially for dehydrated skin. So if you have dehydrated skin, I totally recommend this moisturizer. I absolutely love it in winter. It's just great. It's easy to absorb. It absorbs easily. It moisturizes your skin very well. And it's not sticky, non-greasy. It's just fabulous, and it works wonderful under makeup. So, because I love makeup, another item that I had to include was at least one item of makeup. And to be honest, my favorite item was this Cezanne eyebrow pencil in color black, because it has a nice spoolie, and at the beginning of the year I didn't have a spoolie, I didn't have a set of brushes, and this was really my saving grace in the first few months of the year. So I really love this product. Another item that I had to include in my fukubukuro is the Shiseido Medicated hand soap, because we've had to wash our hands a lot this year, and this has kept my hands hydrated, and it's not overly drying, and it does the job at keeping your hands clean. So I had to include that because it's 2020 and things are weird this year. These two items in my lucky bag are more for relaxation and self-care, and this is like an eye mask that you take. Let me show you. And you apply in your eyes right before going to bed. It's really wonderful. I really love it. I'm not gonna open it because otherwise, once you open it, it gets like warm, and that's what the relaxing part of the treatment is. And you can apply like for 20 minutes or so before you go to sleep, and you'll sleep like a baby. It's just amazing. They have also different like smells. This is without essence, non-scented, but I also have like I also bought a chamomile mask, this one, and I put it in the box because I didn't want to have so many boxes, but it's just amazing. I really love this product. Last but not least, I would have to say my favorite product from my makeshift fukubukuro or lucky bag is this wonderful set of bath salts that are all inspired in many different famous onsens or Japanese steam natural hot springs. Yes, Japanese natural hot springs, and they have different aromas inspired by different regions. Like we have this one here. It comes with a variety so you don't get bored. This one as well, and this one, which is inspired in the famous Arima onsen in Kobe. So yeah, and of course, one last mention, I also got this backpack this year, and I've been using it almost every day, so it's absolutely amazing. I hope you have enjoyed this fukubukuro unboxing. I don't know if I will be getting a fukubukuro this year because I want to avoid the crowds, but if I do get one, of course you will see it here on this channel. And if you have more questions about Japan or makeup or hair, just let me know in the comments. Sayonara and subscribe. Bye!